Today we're looking at the words so and such. These are two small but very important words in English. They're very similar, so it's very easy to make mistakes when you're using them. But in today's video, I'm going to explain exactly how to use them correctly. In this lesson, we're going to look at how to use so, how to use such. We're going to do some practice exercises changing the use of so or such, special cases where we use so with words like many and much, and there'll be a chance for you to make your own sentences at the end. Let's get started. We use so with adjectives and with adverbs, and it makes a sentence stronger. Notice that when we use the word so, we can really stretch the word out to really make the sentence sound stronger. Let's take a look at some examples. The weather is so nice today. The movie was so boring that I fell asleep. This cake is so delicious. She sings so beautifully. He runs so fast. The word such can also make a sentence stronger, but we use it with a noun phrase. Let's take a look at some examples. He's such a funny person. We had such an amazing time at the party. It was such a beautiful day. She has such a positive attitude. This is such a difficult problem. As you can see, these words are used in very similar situations, so it's a good idea to learn how to use both. And one way we can do this is by switching from one form to the other. Let's practice changing sentences from so to such. I'm going to show you a couple of sentences using the word so, and I want you to rewrite them so that you can use the word such. Let's take a look. Here we have our first sentence. The cake was so delicious. How would you change that so that you use the word such? You could write, it was such a delicious cake. Here's another example. He is so clever. How would you change that so that you use the word such? You could say, he is such a clever student, or he is such a clever boy, or he is such a clever man. We need a word after clever to complete this sentence. Let's try to do this the other way. We're going to change some sentences from such to so. Let's take a look. It was such a great movie. How would you rewrite this to use the word so? You could say, the movie was so great. And what about this one? She is such a fast runner. How would you rewrite this to use the word so? She runs so fast. We can also use the word so with words that tell us about amounts, like much, many, little, and few. Let's take a look at some examples of these. There are so many stars in the sky tonight. You have so much homework. There's so little time left before the exam. So few people know about this secret place. So these are special cases when you can use the word so with nouns. Now it's your turn. I want you to write 2 sentences in the comments, one using so and one using such. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you then.